Happy 4th of July! Today we're going to doodle a really fun 4th of July picture. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get doodling! Alright, let's get started on 4th of July picture. Today I'm using a Sharpie, and if you use one too, just put another piece of paper underneath. And if I ever go too fast, don't forget to press pause. Alright, the very first thing I'm going to do on the left side of my paper is draw a long oval shape because I'm going to make a hot dog here. So I'll start kind of near the top and just draw it down, and you want to round those edges just like a hot dog. Now let's add our bun. I'm going to start making points on each side of my hot dog towards the top. So I know this is where the bun starts. So here I'm going to curve around and come back in towards the bottom. And then I can pick up my Sharpie and make a little mark there because I know that that's where this line is going to meet. And you want to make it around the same size on both sides. And that's okay, mine's not exactly the same size, but no big deal. Now let's draw our fun hot dog face. I'm gonna draw two really big eyes right towards the top. And I'm gonna draw two circles inside and color black all the way around. And that's just a fun little detail that I like to do with my eyes. And we can draw some really cute little eyebrows. And now we'll draw a mouth. I'm going to do one line there and a line curving up, another line, and a big mouth, and we will even draw a tongue in there. Now let's make a squiggle for mustard and a squiggle for ketchup. So I'm just going to start making a fun line. And then I'm going to go like this and just trace along, or not trace, but copy that same line. And I'll do another fun squiggle this way. Ooh, I think it's even going to come up like that. Yeah. And when we color it, we'll color it yellow and red for mustard and ketchup. Or you can do any colors you want. That's up to you. Now let's draw the arms and the legs. So I'm actually just going to do fun little stick arms with a circle for a hand on one side, and he can be up like that on the other. I think I'm going to make my hot dog dancing. So he's having a lot of fun dancing. Now let's draw our rocket pop right next to our popsicle. I want it to be around the same size, so I'm going to find where I drew the top of my hot dog and just draw an imaginary line, and then I know here is where my rocket pop's going to be. So the top of my rocket pop is just a straight line like that. And then you're going to draw two lines right on each side. And then another line going out this way and out that way, just like that. And then you just bring it down on both sides, and then you're going to cross it over to make it match. And then you're going to want to draw your stick like this. So now we have a rocket pop, and my rocket pop is also going to be dancing and have some fun little stick arms. Now the next thing we're going to do right in the middle of our rocket pop is draw, or the middle top is draw our fun eyes. We're going to do two big circles, and mine are touching, but yours don't have to. Just like that. I think I'm even going to add one more detail to this rocket pop's eyes and make 3 circles. Why not? All right, and then we want to draw the different colors. So a rocket pop is red, white, and blue. So the red is going to be stopping somewhere around its eyes, and then the blue will be down below. And I'm curving mine a little bit, but you don't have to. And you can even draw a detail of lines like that. And our mouth, one curve going that way, one going like this, and he's going to have a little tongue. And now I want to color in my Rocket Pop's eyes. And the great thing is, if you don't like the extra little circle detail, you can always just color it in. I think I'm gonna wait and see once they're both colored if I like it or not. Because that's the fun thing about art. It's not perfect, it's creative. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it, it's kind of fun. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is draw some fun little rockets. I'm gonna have one here, and I just draw a rectangle. So a line going down, and then a littler line, and then a triangle on top. And then we can make some fun, like fire, like the rocket is zooming out. And I'm gonna draw another one on this side. Oh, we forgot a little line there. Oh, and it's gonna have red stripes. I can picture it already. And maybe one more there. And see how I drew my rectangles going all different ways? That way it shows movement. Like this one's gonna go up in the air that way, and this one's gonna go that way, and this one's going straight up. So I'm gonna go ahead and color now. One of the things that I'm gonna do when I color is I'm gonna draw some really fun fireworks in red and blue, and you can see that. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and just do that now with a Sharpie. So I'm gonna use a blue Sharpie, and I'm just gonna make some lines going all different directions, just like that. And maybe this one over here will be small. See how I'm almost making like a circle, like they're going around a circle. And then I'm gonna do one that's curved. So I'm gonna do some curved lines. See how I curved them? And again, they're all kind of going around a pretend circle. And if it helps you, you could even draw really lightly with a pencil a circle and then just draw lines around it like you would a sun. So now I'm gonna do a red Sharpie, and I'm gonna make these lines a little longer. And some will be shorter, like that. Maybe even this one will have some red inside. And then we can do some curved lines. That one's going off the paper. Some curved lines like that. Maybe this one can be some little. Ooh, I like that. Fireworks are so pretty. And then I'm gonna just draw some fun little stars. And the way that I do a star is two lines like that, almost like I'm making a triangle. One across, then bring this one to match that side, that one to match that end. And while I have my blue Sharpie, I'm gonna go ahead and make some blue stars. And I like to make them going all different ways. All right, now we can go ahead and color. And today I'm gonna color using some crayons. So let's get coloring. Friends, as I'm coloring, I want to show you one fun technique that I really like to do that adds a little extra detail. I color very lightly this red on the Rocket Pop, and then I'm going to add some really fun lines, and I'm going to push down on my crayon a little harder so that the color is bolder, like this. And then I'm gonna do that on the hot dog too, in the hot dog bun. And I'm even gonna do it here, and I already started there, but I'm gonna go back and do it better. And then I'm gonna go on this side, and I'm gonna draw lines going the other way, just like that. And I just make sure I don't go over the eyes, because I don't want this, the white in the eye, to be colored red. And then I'm just gonna make some lines going this way too. It's just a really fun little detail that I like to do. All right, I'm gonna finish doing that with the rest of my popsicle, and then I like to just color over it lightly with the red. Friends, I'm just gonna color in the back of my hot dog's mouth and my rocket pops black, and I did add a little bit of red to my hot dog at the end, and I just did a couple different colors of brown just to add some more detail, and then the fun cross hatching there as well. And that is our really fun 4th of July picture. And you can use it as a decoration or give it to somebody as a 4th of July gift, or just keep it for yourself for fun. Either way, I hope you had a lot of fun today. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Happy 4th of July.